Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, February 27th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro-US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the Euro dollar monthly, definitely still very bullish. I still think this is going to turn into an uptrend. I still believe it's eventually going to go up and take out these previous highs. Most likely end up all the way up to one of these Fibonacci extension levels to finish off what I still think is a wave C of an expanding flat. So let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still think we had an expanding flat wave 2 in here. I think this first push up is a 1 of 3. I think this is a 2 of 3. And hopefully the wave 2 of 3 is over and we are now already going up for that wave 3 of wave 3. So let's take it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I still think this looks like a nice uptrend. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Wave 1. I mean, this move down does resemble more like a trend than a correction, but I think it's just because the euro was very weak so far this year. I still think it is an ABC correction. We went right to the 61.8. We took out the lower wave 4. Definitely did everything that a wave 2 should do. Nice impulsive movement up. Nice break of structure. I for sure am going to be looking for longs, especially on sort of time frames, and I do expect that we are going to continue to make higher highs, higher lows on this daily time frame, most likely now in a wave 3 of wave 3. So heading down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, we are definitely trending up. We're definitely continuing to make higher highs, higher lows. I currently have my Fibonacci retracement on this move up right here. I am definitely looking for longs until the daily time frame and up give me some sort of a reason not to look for longs, like some sort of a break of structure to the downside or something like that, which we definitely do not have as of yet. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, 1 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement on here. To be honest, it kind of looks like this could already be a wave A, and this may already be a wave B. And this little push down that we're currently seeing could be a wave C. It may just end up going down to like the 50 or the 61.8 and just making a nice impulsive move up. We do have some pretty decent dollar news this afternoon, so hopefully that dollar news will cause another end of a correction, another entry to go long for the continuation of what is most likely a wave 3 of wave 3 on the daily time frame and up. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.